Welcome to another lesson from Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play This Is Me Trying. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy! So the intro is made up of two chords, the first of which is an A major chord. So you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the second fret with your pointer finger. And then the second chord is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the second fret of the G string, your ring finger on the third fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the verse. The verse is made up of four chords, the first of which is an A major chord, which we already learned. Next is a D major chord, which we also learned already. Next is an E major chord, so you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, your ring finger on the second fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the G string. And then last is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the second fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the fourth fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the fourth fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of five chords, the first of which is an F sharp major chord, which we already learned. Then a D major chord, which we also learned already. Then an A major chord, which we also learned already. Then a C sharp minor chord, so you're going to bar the fourth fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the sixth fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the sixth fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the fifth fret of the B string. And then last is an E major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge is made up of four chords, all of which we learned already. So it's an A major chord, a D major chord, an E major chord, and an F sharp minor chord. And all put together, it sounds like this.